Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Nova Max Plus blood glucose monitoring system. This device is a fantastic tool for managing your health, providing quick and accurate readings. We'll cover everything from setting it up to understanding your results, ensuring you feel confident and comfortable with each step. By the end, you'll be well equipped to incorporate this monitor into your daily routine with ease and precision. Getting started with your Nova Max Plus is quite simple. First, make sure you have 2 fresh AAA batteries inserted correctly into the back. Next, take a moment to set the current date and time on your meter. This is important for tracking your readings over time. Finally, carefully slide a new test strip into the designated slot on the meter. You'll hear a small click, indicating it's ready for your sample. Now, let's perform a test. Always start by washing your hands thoroughly with soap and warm water, then dry them completely. This helps ensure an accurate reading. Next, use the lancing device to get a small, round drop of blood from the side of your fingertip. Gently touch the tip of the test strip to the blood drop, letting it naturally draw the sample in. In about 5 seconds, your blood glucose result will display clearly on the meter's screen. Once you have your result, it's important to understand what those numbers mean for your health, always in discussion with your doctor. To keep your Nova Max Plus working optimally, store both the meter and test strips in a cool, dry place, away from extreme temperatures. A simple wipe with a soft, damp cloth will keep your meter clean. If you ever have questions or concerns about your readings, please reach out to your healthcare professional for guidance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.